Yeah, if you find yourself in my channel, you're not in the wrong place. You are here for how to beat the YouTube algorithm. Yes, I don't want to tell you what you're going to hear, like, oh, do this one and do that. That doesn't work just to get views. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to tell you with what I've experienced so far. I have tested it, I have studied the YouTube algorithm, and that is why I just want to tell you what I feel the YouTube algorithm is doing to us. And most of you are saying you're frustrated, you're tired, or maybe YouTube is not doing enough. Do you get what I'm saying? So now let's dive into it. Now, as a new YouTuber, you join the YouTube family. YouTube is welcoming you to say, "Oh, our baby is here. You're welcome." They are nursing you. They want the best for you. They don't want you to be frustrated. So anytime you post a video, the YouTube algorithm pushes your video out. That's where you get impressions of 1,000, 2,000. They push your video out like, "Oh, we have a new person here. See if you will like the video or not." And if you're lucky, from that 1,000, people like your video. 200, 300, 400, you're having 100 likes, you're having comments. YouTube will say, hold on, a lot of people love this content, this video. That means this video is really doing well. YouTube will push it out more. That is when you say, oh, my video went viral. YouTube, thank you. Oh, you're the best. You're so happy because a lot of people love it and YouTube is pushing it. Now, hold on. The second one that YouTube is also pushing too, nobody likes it. YouTube will say, is it a poor quality? Why are people not liking this? They stop pushing it. Then you will say, why is YouTube not pushing my video? I'm only getting 5 views. If you're getting 5 views as a new YouTuber, check your reach. You will see that YouTube pushes that video out, but only few people clicked on it. And when YouTube see that the percentage they are getting is not good, they are not getting a like enough of it, so it's giving them a concern that either a lot of people don't like this and they don't want to push it. YouTube goes with the audience. If the audience are saying no, YouTube is not going to push your video more. So now you're not like frustrated. That's when you see a lot of persons say, oh, let me do short, or let me do restream, or let me promote my videos to get more views because you're frustrated, which is not bad, which is not a bad idea. We are going somewhere, right? I told you that I've studied the YouTube algorithm. So this is it now. Like, because you are a new YouTuber, take note of that. You're a new YouTuber, you're coming to the family. That's one. YouTube pushes your video out, right? Now, if you're now an existing client, that means you're being monetized, you're now a partner to YouTube. That is what the problem comes in now. YouTube will now say, okay, this person is now a partner. Now, let's hold on. Let's watch what this person would do on his or her own. What this person would do, what this partner would do. Then YouTube will say, okay, this person have 1,000 subscribers. Okay, this 1,000 subscribers, YouTube always go with average. Like, okay, let's say 50% of these subscribers, let's see if they will like this video this person is pushing out. Some of them will say, okay, YouTube can say, okay, let's be conservative. Let's do 30% or 20% of this 1,000 subscribers. Now you're putting a video out. YouTube is expecting that your subscribers should like your video first. Now you're having 1,000 subscribers, and you are not getting 500 out of that subscribers are not watching your video. Even to be conservative, 30, that's 300 is not watching your video. 20 that percent, that's 200 is not watching your video. What are you telling YouTube? YouTube will not recommend your video. Will say even your subscribers that subscribe to your channel are not watching your video. How would they push your video? That is now where the disadvantage of restream or short is coming in, because those people that subscribe to you are not interested in this content or whatever video you're putting out. That is not what they made them to subscribe to you. Are you seeing where the problem is coming from? So you will not see a lot of person that say, oh, I've been monetized and YouTube is not pushing my video anymore. I'm tired. When I was not monetized, I know how I used to get videos. My video used to do this, my video used to do that. Yes, YouTube was welcoming you into the family. Now that you are not part of the family, they want you to fend for yourself. To your subscribers should like what you are doing first before they can say. So if now you have 1,000 subscribers and YouTube is seeing, oh, you're having 500 views, 600 views, likes and everything, what is the algorithm doing? Say, hold on, there's this video is going viral, people are liking this video, let's push it, let's recommend it to more people. That is when you see you're not having 20, 10, 5,000 k views, because YouTube have seen that your content is good and a lot of people love your content. So now you can get it now. That because I've studied it. If you're a new, say, check your first video as a new YouTuber. When you joined, see how YouTube pushes your video. You will see impression, you will see like even 2,000 k. You will be seeing 1,000. At the end of the day, who clicked 31? I will show you mine before the end of this video to see. It also happened to me. I was also tired, like, well, that's what made me to also do restroom. I'm not saying restroom is bad, but if you're doing restroom, you have to take accountability for your action. You don't know expect magic overnight, because those people that subscribe to your channel are not interested in whatever you are doing now. So you need to start from the scratch. You need to start as if you need to start from the scratch. You need to start as if you just have just one subscribers. You need to now start pushing in more videos and be patient. So you don't need to now complain that YouTube is not pushing my videos. YouTube is pushing your videos. Now let me tell you how to beat the YouTube algorithm. Please guys, if you see ads on my video, please don't skip it. Please watch it. Please don't skip it. Also, you guys, you know when you get monetized too, it's the same thing. Let's help one another. Please don't skip ads on my video. Thank you. And leave a comment. So when anybody you see that has commented on my video, subscribe to that person. Let's subscribe to one another, and let's grow together in love. Thank you. So let's go back how to beat the YouTube algorithm. One, post your link on other social platform. A lot of us, or let me say a lot of new YouTubers, or a lot of us don't post our link in other platform. We don't post on Facebook, we don't post on TikTok, we don't even post on Instagram. Some of you say, I just have YouTube only, or Facebook, or I don't have other things. How do you want to be visible? Even those big celebrities, when you go on TikTok, they'll tell you, please click on the link below, go watch my video, go watch my movie on YouTube. Those ones that even have thousands of followers or millions of followers are still even appealing to you, using their TikTok to go to YouTube to go watch. Some will tell you on Instagram, you will see one video. If you're following them on different platforms, you see one video on Facebook, one video on TikTok, one video on YouTube, one video on any platform. They will tell you to go watch it. Let me give you an example of how other social platform help you as a YouTuber. Let me give you an example of Adeife. Adeife is known in Instagram and TikTok. When people told her to join YouTube, she kept it on TikTok and said, please, I just opened a YouTube platform. This is my link. Please go watch my video on my YouTube. Before you know it, the YouTube algorithm will say, who is this person that just joined us? And people are loving this video. It's because of the other platform. If she has not kept that link on other platforms, how are we going to know she has a video on YouTube? It will only be few people that are on YouTube that knows her, that maybe they are following her on TikTok, know that this is Adeife. But she made an attempt. She said, please follow me on YouTube through a TikTok account. So other social platform is very important. post your link on other social platforms. That is how you beat the YouTube algorithm, because no matter how, 2 or 5 or more persons we are going to follow you on YouTube. Do you think those persons are having 500 views and everything? Do you know some of them have a very big networking on WhatsApp? When they just drop a video, they will send it to their WhatsApp group, they will send it to their TikTok, they will send it to Facebook, they will send it to, please watch my videos and everything. You see people just watching. Before you know it, they beat the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube will give a signal that this video is going viral. People are loving it. They will now recommend it more. That is one. Two, focus on your audience. See, if I want to open another YouTube channel, I will focus on my audience, because I will know that this is what they want. So I will not want to go to the other shortcut ways. I will focus on my audience, start building content that I feel my audience will like. So when I know I have 5 subscribers, I know these 5 subscribers are who like my videos, and when I post something like that, they will really want to watch it. That is another way to beat the YouTube algorithm. Focus on your audience. If you're just posting, but you need to be patient. If you're impatient, you want to do it the short way, just know that you will not get the result when you're being monetized, because you are going to see that a lot of people that subscribe to you, just imagine you're having 2,000 subscribers and you put out a video, not even 100 views, not even 100 subscribers will give you 100 subscribers will give you 100 views, right? Not even 100 subscribers will click on that. Sometimes what you even get is even new people that are watching your video, not even your subscribers. So how do you want YouTube to push your video? No, the YouTube algorithm will not recommend your video. They won't push it because they feel that your subscribers don't even love what you are doing. So how will other ones love it when the people that subscribe to your channel won't get notification when you pop your videos, are not even supporting you? Secondly, your timing is irrelevant. Some persons say, oh, and when you post around 2, 3, 4, you will have a lot of people that will view your channel. I don't understand. To me, your timing is irrelevant. It doesn't affect the YouTube algorithm. What the YouTube algorithm wants, that let me see how many people love this video you're putting, how many people love your content, and let me push it out more for people. That is the work of YouTube algorithm. So your timing is irrelevant. Oh, let me post by 8, let me post by 6, because the YouTube algorithm works 24 hours. As you drop if you have just dropped a video like this, they start looking at, oh, who is watching, who is liking, they are seeing it, and when the thing is hitting good, they start work on it. So they don't look at the timing. So the timing is irrelevant. Some of us will just want to waste your time and say no. Post anytime you want to post, no problem. But what YouTube wants is that let people love whatever you are doing as an existing client. That's your a partner, not for a new YouTuber. A new YouTuber is not don't need to be worried. YouTube will push your video whether good or bad. When YouTube sees that, oh, nobody is liking it, they stop. That is why you see 1 month you are seeing 26 views, 2 months you are seeing 26 views, 8 months you are seeing 26 views. Nothing, they are not pushing it anymore, it's just there. Until maybe, so how to beat YouTube algorithm, especially post on other social media, post on other social platform with your YouTube link. It will really, you will really beat the YouTube algorithm, because you don't know those. Just imagine on Facebook you're having 5 or 7,000 followers, on TikTok you're having 3,000 followers, on Instagram you're having 1,000 followers. Bad as a bad, at least you will still get like 100 that want to just be inquisitive to click on that link to go watch you. Let's see whether this person is consistent, honestly. See, so that YouTube will know what you are doing. What are you doing? Not here and there, here and there. When YouTube is trying to pick up, oh, what is this person doing? And the end of the day, you're sleeping again. So you need to be consistent. Consistency is key. It's not easy, but it is key. It is not easy, but it is key. So consistency is very important. So you have to be consistent in posting your videos. Like I always say, have 10 videos down so that YouTube algorithm will help you showcase, and you will see which one of the videos is doing well. Then watch it again and see. It's really helped me. Sometimes I'll watch and see the retention of this. Okay, what What are people liking? Where did they stop? Where did they like and everything? I will add it to it. I will get advanced. I will get better because anytime I watch some of my videos, I just smile that I'm getting better every time. Anytime I post another video, I'm always getting better than the previous one. So post consistently. Try and do like 10 videos and just keep posting them and posting them. That's why we have the YouTube analytics. Check it. Check where you are doing right and where you are not. Then you work on it. So just majorly what I would just tell you that if you want to beat the YouTube algorithm, just start afresh. Don't boycott. Just keep doing whatever you're doing like that, slow and steady. So that all those your subscribers, if you have 200 subscribers, you know these 200 subscribers love you so much. That is why they subscribe to whatever you're doing. And when YouTube say 200 views in your post, I'm telling you, they are going to, the YouTube algorithm is going to push your video. Do you know what is 200? 200 people like this. That is enough for them. So what I would just tell you how to beat, if you say you want to use Restream, it's not a bad idea. But I'm telling you how to experience. When you get monetized, it's as if you're starting all over again. I'm telling you, because all those subscribers you got, they aren't interested. Not that, not that, not that. They're not interested in anything you are doing now. They will just see and swipe. What is this person it? You will see. I will show you some of my videos and I will tell you to see the difference. There's a video that I made recently that YouTube just the impression was just 100. YouTube did not even send me. They didn't even push it. That you come, oh YouTube, I'm tired of YouTube. YouTube are not telling us the truth. People are not telling us. No, I have studied it. You to check it. Check it and see for yourself. I've studied it, and that is why I am telling you this for facts that YouTube algorithm works like magic. But you need to do the work as a partner now. As you'll be monetized, you need to do the work. How can you have 4,000 subscribers and you're not getting 100 views? And you say YouTube should push. What about your subscribers? What are they doing? Are they ghosts? Are they not supposed to watch your videos? You have 4,000, 20% cannot watch your videos, 10% cannot watch your videos. So you want YouTube to come and push you as in what? I have studied it, and my dear, no. And what I would swipe the word algorithm to audience. See, let if your audience watch your video, forget, you've gone viral. If your audience, if you watch my video up to this moment and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. You know I love you. And if you subscribed already, thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, share to your friends and family. See you next time. Bye.